and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Sharplink Gaming has filed with the SEC to sell $1 billion in common stock to expand its Ethereum holdings. Now, the Minneapolis-based sports marketing firm announced plans to create an Ether-based treasury strategy similar to MicroStrategy's Bitcoin approach. So, most of the capital raised will be used to buy Ether, while some funds will cover operations and marketing. The company recently appointed Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lupin as its board chairman. Crypto analysts see this as a significant move, dubbing Sharplink MicroStrategy of Ethereum. Bitcoin ETFs recorded $616 million in outflows over 2 days, led by BlackRock's IBIT, which saw $430 million withdrawn. Now, other ETFs like ARK21 Shares ARKB and Bitwise's BITB also faced redemption, signaling a short-term correction after recent bullish momentum. Now, trading volume remained high at $3.39 billion, with total BTC ETF assets at $126 billion. In contrast, Ether ETFs extended their inflow streak to 10 days, with $70 million coming solely from BlackRock's ETHA fund. Ether ETF assets held steady at $9.45 billion, reflecting sustained institutional interest in Ether. Hashkey Exchange has added XRP to its platform, opening the token to professional investors under Hong Kong's regulatory oversight. While this move enhances compliant access to XRP, a top cryptocurrency recently included in the US strategic crypto stockpile. The listing reflects growing institutional demand amid improving regulatory clarity, and Hashkey Exchange emphasized that this regulated access builds investor confidence. Now, XRP has a strong track record in the digital economy, supported by Hashkey's capital products like FTSE Digital Asset Top 20 Index Fund and Asia's first XRP Tracker Fund. This step reinforces XRP's role in the evolving institutional crypto landscape. China has imposed a sweeping ban on private ownership of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, extending its previous restrictions on trading and mining. This intensifies Beijing's efforts to centralize financial control and promote its digital yuan. The announcement caused immediate market turbulence, with Bitcoin prices dipping sharply and altcoins showing increased volatility. Analysts expect the impact to be temporary, but warn of tighter financial flows within China. The ban may also push crypto users to decentralized platforms in friendlier jurisdictions in Asia, accelerating shifts in global crypto adoption and regulatory landscapes. Thailand's SEC will block access to major unlicensed crypto platforms such as Bybit, Coinex, and OKX starting June 28, 2025. The ban targets platforms operating without local licenses, requiring them to comply by that date or cease serving Thai users. Now, the move aims to protect investors from risks like fraud and money laundering by enforcing stricter regulations. So, Thailand's government wants to support crypto innovation while ensuring safety and legality in trading. Experts see this as part of a broader trend in Southeast Asia towards tighter crypto oversight, which could influence global exchange practices. The SEC has expressed concerns over REX Financial and Osprey Fund's proposed staked ETH and SOL ETFs, stating they may not qualify as ETFs under Rule 6C11 due to their rare C Corp structure. In a letter dated May 30, the SEC flagged potential misclassification and misleading investor disclosures. Now, despite the regulatory hurdle, analysts expect dialogue to continue, with issuers eager to be first to market. The decision comes as crypto markets watch closely for ETF approvals, which could inject fresh institutional liquidity, particularly into staking-linked altcoins. The final deadlines for these ETF filings are expected in October. Coinbase suffered a major breach affecting 69,000 users, reportedly costing up to $400 million. The hack was enabled by bribed Indian call center workers at TaskUs, the firm managing Coinbase's support since 2017. Hackers use leaked customer data for social engineering scams, not direct crypto wallet theft, to drain user accounts. Coinbase has fired those involved and is reimbursing victims. A class action suit has been filed in New York, while TaskUs denies wrongdoing. The breach exposes risks in outsourcing user support, especially when economic vulnerabilities can be exploited by cybercriminals. Grayscale has launched a new artificial intelligence crypto sector, grouping 20 AI-related tokens with a combined $21 billion market cap. The sector includes projects like Bictensar, Near, Grass and Akash, spanning AI platforms, tools, and apps. This is Grayscale sector realigning earlier categorized tokens from other indexes. The move highlights rising investor interest in decentralized AI, with the market growing from $4.5 billion in Q1 2023. Now, Grayscale expects the sector to expand further as blockchain-powered AI tools advance, especially in areas like distributed training, autonomous agents, and tokenized microtransactions. The IMF has raised red flags over Pakistan's plan to allocate 2,000 megawatt of electricity for Bitcoin mining and AI data centers amid severe power shortages in budget talks. Now, the IMF was not consulted and has asked for clarity on crypto legality and potential tariff impacts. Pakistan's move is part of a larger push to integrate digital assets, including the launch of a Bitcoin wallet and digital asset authority. But with IMF negotiations underway, the plan may complicate financial aid discussions, and a special IMF session is being planned to address concerns over the energy-diverting crypto strategy. SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce clarified that meme coins like Trump fall outside the agency's purview, warning investors not to expect regulatory protection. Trump, which hit a $15 billion market cap before crashing, is largely controlled by Trump-linked entities. While the SEC under the Biden era pursued aggressive crypto enforcement, the Trump administration appears more hands-off. So Pierce likened the meme coin surge to NFTs in 2021, speculative and outside security law. With no underlying value and high volatility, the message is clear. Investors are on their own. Political ties and regulatory gaps continue to fuel controversy. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.